what a week it has been. Just 2 days since the grand launch of our 75th Lulu Exchange branch in the UAE. Here we are again officially adding one more branch to the list. My heartiest congratulations to Thambi sir, Shafiz, Umesh and the entire team of UAE operation for pulling off these back-to-back openings and maintaining our positive start to this new year. After a very challenging year of 2020, such moments inspire us to believe strongly in our goals and stay focused on the long game to become a dominant player in the markets we operate in. And our efforts to expand our network should also involve activities to onboard new customers to the Lulu Money platform. UAE, like many countries we operate in, is fast becoming a digital economy, and it is important that we keep pace in this rapid development by serving the best of the both physical and digital experience to our customers. And I look forward to seeing Team UAE as well as our teams in other countries position our branches as a customer engagement centers that can amplify the voice of our offerings among customers while assisting their smooth transition to our digital platform.
The new normal means we need to have smaller physical touch points, effective call center, and we need to differentiate ourselves using app and wallet and less of business travel. If we can do all these things, 2021 will be even more a successful year.
On this occasion, I wish to share my thought about the role and responsibility of the staff of the new branch once it is opened. All along, we have been told to imbibe the culture of service with a smile. I personally believe that, like any product, this adage has outlived its utility. The new mantra is from service with a smile to smile after the service. So, what does it convey? What I feel is that you serve the customer professionally, diligently, and to the best of your ability, even without a smile, no problem. But once the customer is served, he should be delighted and thrilled so that he gives you back a smile. That is from service with a smile to smile after the service. And 2021 is not 2021, they say it is 2020 own. Yes, we'll win in 2021, we'll win everywhere, and we'll not only be the winner, we'll be the champion in areas wherever we are operating. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your patient hearing. All the best.
Hearty congratulations to Team UAE for the 76th branch opening at ICAD. And globally, this is going to be a 225th branch. It's really a matter of pride. I want to congratulate the operations team for managing this growth so well over these years, and I continue to hope that you will manage this growth in the years to come as well.
The branch is strategically located in the Musaffa area near many labor camp residential areas, and this branch is also equipped with efficient staff to serve the customers from different communities in the locality. I wholeheartedly thank the top management for supporting our efforts to open this branch in this area to serve new customers.